Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. Today I'll be doing a reading for my Leos. Okay, now this is going to be your love and general reading. We will see what messages do we have for you, what's happening in your love life, what does your person think about you, and how are you feeling towards them. So this is going to be for all guys, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And keep in mind that this is going to be a general reading. It will resonate to most of you but not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Alright, and you can connect to me on my Instagram. I have mentioned all these details below in the description box. If you want a personal reading from me, you can always get in touch with me. My website address is jyotitarotreadings.com. It's here on the screen, so you will get all other details there. Alright, so let's see guys, what do we have in store for my Leos? Let's see what do we have in store for my Leos. Okay, so we have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, the World, Three of Pentacles, Two of Cups. Oh, so cute. Okay guys, as far as your person is concerned right now, I hope you can see these cards right now. Yeah, so let's see what does your person feel towards you. Magician and the Five of Swords. Okay, so guys, this person that you're dealing with, they feel that you have hurt them or you have disappointed them in some way. Leos, this person is hurt, this person is disappointed. They feel that you could have left them. They feel that they feel abandoned. Okay, this person feels abandoned. They want you back, Leos. This person, I don't know, for some of you I feel that you are not talking to each other, or I do see distance between both of you. Okay, ego clashes, all that stuff. Yeah, this person is not happy guys. This person feels that could be that you have left them, you're not talking to this person. They feel they want you, they are manifesting you, they cannot live without you. Okay, this person wants to reconcile with you. For some of you, I feel that this person wants to get back to you. They are mourning guys. This person is sad. Whoever you are dealing with, I don't know, I feel that this person is sad. They are not happy without you. Okay, and I sense that you both are ignoring each other in some cases. It's like subtle, you both are ignoring. Whoever you are dealing with, Leos, I do see that you guys are ignoring each other. I strongly see a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, let's see what else. What are they thinking towards my Leo's partner? What are they thinking towards my Leo? Oh my god, I told you, this person is hurt guys. You may have left them, I don't know, you're ignoring each other. This person feels that they are in pain, Leos. Your person, they are in pain. They feel that you are not talking to them. You have stopped putting in efforts. Okay, the way you used to. Maybe you were investing a lot in the past towards this person and you have stopped doing so now, of lately. Okay, they feel that they are not happy. Their life is upside down right now. They are not happy without you. They want to be with you. They don't want to stay like this, This person has been wishing to be with a person like you. They are wishing to be with you. They are healing. This person is in immense pain, okay? They are seeking guidance from God also. This person is seeking guidance from God right now. Judgment and the Devil. They are waiting for universe to step in and get you back together. Okay, in some cases I feel that your person feels that you know they want to know you more. Okay, Leos, this person wants to get close to you in the sense I feel that they are highly attracted towards you, physical chemistry. Okay, they feel that the chemistry is too much between both of you and this person wants to get close to you. It's like they don't want to stay away from you, they want the bond to strengthen. Okay, that kind of energy. This person is waiting for a miracle. Okay, whoever you are dealing with, this person is waiting for a miracle in this case. Let's see what else do we have for my Leos. What does that person think? Yeah, they feel that you have rejected them. They feel that, in spite of giving in so much in this relationship, you have rejected them. They feel that they have done a lot. Okay, that's the different case, whether have they done or not done, but they feel that they have done a lot, but you have rejected them. In spite of all of this, you have rejected them. You are not paying attention to them, or could be that, I don't know, I do get this feeling where you have stopped talking to this person all of a sudden. I don't know why I feel that you guys are ignoring each other, both of you, and especially if it's a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then 100% yes, 110% yes. You both are strong personalities, Leo. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and Leo. A very deadly combination. One has to compromise, otherwise this relationship cannot go further. Okay, so if you are dealing with these sun signs, then definitely I'm sure that you guys are going through this. What is this? Page of Swords in reverse and Ten of Wands in reverse. This person, guys, is tired. Okay, they have lost this hope, but still there is something that is not letting them give up on this relationship with you. Okay, this person is somebody who could have, it's like, this person is someone, guys, who may have tried some other options too while being with you, or they are already seeking, but there is no one like you. There is no one like you. Not that they didn't try, they have explored all their options, but there is none who can match to what you can give this person. I see that you guys are divinely connected and there is a divine connection. It's like very a strong attraction. This person feels that they have never felt this attraction with anybody else that they feel with you. So the connection is that huge, that divine. Okay, that is why they don't want to, not that they did not explore. I think maybe you don't know it, but this person has seen other people also over you, just so that they can divert their mind, or they can forget you. But no, they cannot let you go, they cannot forget you, they cannot give up on you. Okay, let's see how are they feeling now. Leo's person? Oh my god, it's like this person is shattered, guys. This person is shattered internally. Okay, I don't know, for some of you I feel that you may I don't know, you may have this personality where you used to love them like a mother, or you used to pamper them a lot. So this person feels that that they don't get that love that they used to. They're used to getting that love from you, they're used to getting that attention from you, and that is what they are not getting now. Okay, for this person you are like a jewel, you are like a dream come true, and they have lost you. This person is broken, guys. Okay, this person is broken internally. They are like healing, they are missing you, they don't know what to do, they are conflicted. One of their mind, at times they feel like coming back to you, at times they are holding on, at times they feel that they want to start fresh with you. But come what may, this person wants reconciliation with you for sure, because they cannot. I think this person is trying to focus on their work, but they cannot. They want to focus on their work, but they cannot. Situations have been so difficult for this person. Okay, They want to do things but they cannot. See, I just spoke about work and this appeared. It's like, in spite of being there, maybe you're dealing with somebody who is very well to do, very rich, or could be from a very good family, or whatever it is. I don't know. They may have their own a big company. Maybe some of you're dealing with somebody who is well to do, they have a company of their own, they have people under them, but in spite of all of that, do you see how sad this person is? Whatever they are doing, it's because of their duty. Okay, they are not happy doing all that. Their life is miserable without you, guys. Their life is miserable without you. Okay, look at this person is so unhappy. They're doing their daily chores, they're working, going office, meeting people, but with a heavy heart. They're not happy, Leos. They're not happy. This person is missing you badly. What do they want from you? Let's see. What do they want from my Leos? Let's see. What do they want from my... Oh my God. They want you to take charge of the situation. They want you to take action towards them. They want you to approach them. They want you to follow your heart. They know, guys, this person feels that you love them, but then something is stopping you. In spite of you loving them, there is something that's stopping you from going forward with this person. This person wants you to own it up. This person wants you to take action towards this person. Okay, they feel that you are getting scared of somebody or something, maybe family, or I don't know, could be you worried about something. You worry about the society, you worry about the culture, community, society, etc., etc. You worry about people, what will people say, something like this. This person feels that you should not think about that and take action towards them. Okay, let's see what will be the next action towards my Leo. What will be the next action? Oh my God, see, this person wants to, it's like, they are in this energy where they type a message and then they hold on, or they delete it, or they take their phone to call you, but then something stops them. This person wants to talk to you, but they are going to take time. Okay, we have the 8 of Wands in reverse. They want to communicate, but they are going to take time. It's like this person needs time. They need time. They are not going to approach you so early. Could be 1 week for some of you. I feel this person may take 1 week or so. Could be 1 month for some of you, but this person is going to take time. 7 days, 8 days. We have 7, we have 8 here, 8 here. 21, 15 days. So this person may, for some of you, this person may approach you within a week. For the others of you, within 15 days or 30 days. Okay, 21 days is also prominent. They cannot do without you. Okay, so this person, and I feel that this is a strong, let me see what is the outcome of this relationship. I'll see the outcome of this relationship. What is the outcome of this relationship? Look at this, guys. 8 of Cups, 5 of Cups. You both are missing each other. You both are mourning over something. Okay, you feel you missing the good times that you have had with each other. This person is thinking about all the memories that you have had with them. Okay, they are sulking. This person is sad without you, Leo. They are sulking. They are like literally thinking about you constantly. Look at this, the way they are so sad. I feel that this person feels that you have left them, Leo. Okay, this person feels that you have left them. Yeah, I strongly feel, I don't know why, Leos, you are trying to focus on your work. You are trying to, it's not that you don't love them, but I feel that you're focusing on work, and this person feels that you may have walked out of this relationship, or you're leaving them behind, that kind of energy. Okay, they feel that you're leaving them and moving away. So they are very unhappy without you, very unhappy. Look at this, I spoke about it and this card popped out. They are so sad, so unhappy. They don't feel like talking to anyone. This person doesn't feel like seeing anybody. They are hurt, depressed. I don't know, I'm feeling very sad. I don't know. But yeah, see, they feel that you have rejected them. They feel that you don't love them anymore, or you may have just outright told them no, that kind of energy, Leos. Okay, so let's see your energy. Let's see how are you feeling towards this person. Let's see how are my Leos feeling. We will see your current energies now. Leos. Okay. Queen of Swords and King of Rods. Leos, you have reached a place where I feel that you have come to a point where you have put your foot down. You are like, enough is enough. I'm not going to take this BS anymore. I'm not going to take this anymore. Maybe this person has given you a tough time in the past. That is why you may have moved out, or that is why you are giving this cold vibe to this person, or you are not talking to this person, or you may have left them or ghosted them all of a sudden. I don't know, could be anything. But it's like you are like, I'm not going to take this BS anymore. Enough is enough. Okay, you are like, either you be good to me, show me that you love me, or you get lost. Okay, I do see that energy from your end. I don't know, but I feel that you are like very sure of not investing more in this relationship. Okay, not that you want to give up on this relationship, but you don't want to invest also anymore. You are like, I have already done enough, I cannot do more. And you being Leos, I know you. Okay, you cannot invest more. It's like, after a point, if you feel that that person doesn't value you, or that person is taking you for granted, or ghosting you, or could be that if you feel that this person is somebody who is in and out, breadcrumbing you, I know, Leos, you will back out. I know you will not bear them, or you cannot bear such people for a long time. Okay, so, but I know that you have given a lot in this. You have given a lot. Also, for some of you, I feel that this person is with somebody else. You see that this person is with someone else also. It's like you doubt that they are focused on somebody else also. So let me clarify more. What does Leo feel towards this person? What does Leo feel? Oh my God, look at this. Ace of Cups, Ten of Cups, both reverse. I don't know, guys. This relationship, Leo, that you are in, okay, it's a very divinely guided relationship, a very strong commitment. If you both come back together, this is going to, you guys are going to land up being married. Okay, this is like such a divine connection, God sent connection. But everything has turned upside down in your case. I think you both, this relationship, when it started, it was so beautiful that it was like one of a kind, a love story that any girl would want or any boy would want. But all of a sudden, things have just changed. And this is because you have put your foot down. You are like, enough is enough. I'm not going to give in more. If I don't get enough, I'm not going to give. You feel like, if I don't get what I deserve, I'm not going to invest any further. That kind of energy. Okay, it's like you love this person, but somehow you are giving up on this. Okay, you're trying to give up on this relationship, or you feel like giving up on this person. Though you love them, the love is there is no doubt, you want to marry this person, but I feel that, yeah. Five of Swords, see? Okay, Five of Swords again. So you feel that this person has hurt you. This person may have said something to you that may have hurt you, Leos. and I know Leos cannot bear it for more than 2 or 3 times. So this person definitely has done something that has hurt you, especially they may have said something that may have hurt you. Knight of Cups. This person is somebody who doesn't speak, okay, they don't speak much, or they don't tell, or this person is somebody who takes forever to talk. That is also there. I'm going to clarify this Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is with Knight of Pentacles. You feel that you have done so much for this person. You have done so much for this person, but this person doesn't reciprocate, or they don't come to you or talk to you, or they don't invest enough. Maybe they try to hide things. They don't tell you everything. They don't show their love towards you, Leo. That is the main thing. That is the main thing. They don't show how they feel. They don't talk how they feel. That is the main thing here. We have Nine of Pentacles with Knight of Cups reverse. Let's see, how are my Leos feeling towards this person? How are my Leos feeling? Look at this. You feel that this person is the right one for you, but somehow your confidence has been shattered. You feel that, sometimes you think, does he even deserve me, or does she even deserve me? That kind of thoughts haunt you sometimes. Or you may land up thinking like, do I even have a future with this person? Will I be happy with this person? Is she the right one? Is he the right one? Like you may be questioning your own self. Should I invest or move forward, or should I back out? So I find you in this energy where you are confused. You don't know whether should you move forward with this person or not. Okay, so you are not sure about this person because you have had a difficult time. What has happened between Leo and this person? What has happened between Leo and this person? Eight of Wands. Clarify the Eight of Wands. See, we have Page of Cups reverse. I think, guys, you know the main reason why Leos, you may have backed out, or you both are going through this issue, is that this person, they don't talk to you. Okay, they don't talk to you. They don't share their true self. They don't show you how much they love you, or they are not expressive. And yeah, you feel neglected. And you want a person who is very romantic, who is there for you when you need them, not the one who gives you a cold shoulder or a cold vibe, or who ignores you for other people. So you need attention from this person, and you don't have that. Okay, that's the major reason here. And you are like now suffering. You are suffering in this relationship. You are not happy. You love this person a lot. You want to reconcile. You want reconciliation. You want this person to come and talk to you. You want them to take the first action towards you. But you are not sure. At the same time, you are not sure. Some of you, I think you may be diverting your mind. You're focused on work. That is also there for some of you. Okay. So let's see. What else for my Leos? Any other message? Page of Wands in reverse. So expect the communication, Leo, but there will be a delay. Okay, this person will come and talk to you, but I said it is going to take time. Okay, and you both are going to take time. This time I don't know, but I don't know this time, guys, but I feel that you are not going to go and approach them this time. This time it's like however you want this person, you want reconciliation, but I think you're going to wait for them to come and approach you this time, Leos. Okay. So outcome, let's see what's the outcome in this relationship. What's the outcome in this relationship is, oh God, Moon clarified. See, I think this person, you both will still be in the same energy for some more time. I don't see you guys coming out of the same energy. It's like you will feel they are juggling you, they will feel you are juggling them. Missing game, you both are going to miss each other. The same energy continues. So I don't see any outcome as such. I don't see this relationship coming to an end, because this is a divine connection, a soulmate. I think you guys have shared some lives together. This is like a divine connection. You both have spent many lives with each other in the past, so it is not going to end for sure. But yes, there may be a temporary pause, there may be a temporary break in this relationship. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for my Leos who are single. Oh, Leos who are single, Nine of Swords. Leos who are single, I think you are done waiting. Leos, I feel some of you are single and you are waiting since a long time. You are frustrated, you are unhappy, you feel that you have done so much to find the right person, but you have still not found the one that you seek, you want. Very unhappy. Okay, I see you in a place where you are sad, hurt, depressed. What's coming up for my Leos? Two of Swords. See, you're confused. Some of you're confused. You feel that you have done so much, still you don't have clarity over who to choose. If you have a choice, Leos, then you feel that you still don't have a clarity on who to choose, what to choose. Confused, you feel sad. Maybe some of you have a lot of responsibilities and you are working hard towards your family, towards making money, etc, etc. What's coming up towards my Leos who are single? Three of Swords. And okay, some of you, I think you have to heal yourself, Leo. Some of you are in pain, acute pain. You don't know what to do, you are confused, sad, depressed. I don't know why do I see you in this energy, but I think you will have to take some action, guys. Okay, you will have to take some action, you will have to move forward. If you are single, things, you may have had a breakup or a divorce, whatever it is, you have to forget that chapter and move on, Leos. Okay, life is too beautiful, you cannot afford to stay in the same energy for long. I do see you in pain right now. This is for Leos who are single. Okay, so you have to move forward, you have to take action. You have a bright future waiting for you, so you have to take action. What's coming up for you? Let's see, singles. What's coming up for my Leos who are single? Four of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, I think you are going to focus on work, and that is going to be your priority, and you are going to make good money. Okay, it is going to take time for sure. Okay, this is going to take some time. Maybe you want to get settled in your life, you want to be settled, you want to be independent. So that is happening, but it's going to take some time, Leos. Okay, this is happening for sure. So let's see who is coming towards my Leos who are single. Who is coming towards my Leos? Seven of Wands in reverse. I think someone has blocked you in the past. Now this could be an ex who may come back to you. For some of you, I feel there is this ex who is coming back to you. They may have blocked you, or there is a distance, you are in separation. Either an ex is going to come and approach you, or let's see who is coming towards my Leos. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So I do see an Aries, Leo, Sag, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming your way, Leos. Okay, this is for singles. Now for some of you, I feel there is this ex, somebody from your past who may pop out of nowhere in your life, and they will try to communicate. For the others of you, this is a brand new offer, but it's going to take time. It is going to take time. So July could be prominent. I do feel that July is prominent for some of you. So maybe you may meet somebody in July and October, December. July, October, December. These 3 months are prominent for you, Leos. Okay. April also. April. Okay. So these 4 months are prominent for you. So something, you may meet this person, or you can expect a communication, or you can expect a comeback of your ex. Something like this. Okay. So that is it, Leos. Let's see what advice do we have for my Leos. Just a sec, guys. We will see what advice do we have for my Leos. Okay, we'll see what advice do we have for my Leos. I think this card wants to come out. Your commitment is being tested. Some of you, if you are in separation, universe is trying to put you to test. Okay, maybe God is testing you, testing your patience, testing your loyalty. So make sure you are loyal. Don't cheat on your partner. Okay, stay loyal, be committed to your partner, don't cheat. Okay, your commitment will be tested, you will be put to test and you have to pass this test. Okay, so for the others of you, and this could also be that your partner, maybe you're dealing with somebody, they are trying to test you, they are secretly trying to test you, they are putting you to test to see whether how genuine and loyal you are to them. So maybe your person is trying to test you, Leos. Confidence is your key to success, new moon in Leo. Okay, so some of you, I feel that you are in this place, I told you, you are sad, depressed. So be confident, life is beautiful, confidence is your key, Leos. You are Leos, okay, you are the lion or the lioness. So confidence is your key. Be happy, be happy, life is beautiful, you are going to get whatever you desire. Prosperity lies ahead, I told you, prosperity lies ahead. And what else for my Leos? Give me a message for my Leos, please. Emotions are running high, so you guys too, you are missing this person badly. The love is mutual between both of you. They cannot think without you, you cannot think without them. This love is divine. Okay, you both are divinely guided towards each other and this love is mutual. So let's see, Leos, what messages do we have? We will see some love messages from your person. We will see what messages do they want to give you. Let's see what messages, what does your person think towards you. Okay, let's see what are they thinking towards my Leos. I'm coming with a solid offer to you. Wow. So this person, you are in separation. I will tell you what you want to hear. I told you, some of you Leos, you expect this person to talk to you, they just take forever to talk, that kind of energy. So this person wants to talk to you, tell you what they feel, and they're coming with a solid offer to you. Okay, staying away from you made me realize that this is not codependency, this is love. So okay, so this has worked in your favor. This person feels that staying away from them, staying away from you has made them realize your worth. Leos, I want to take this risk with you. This person feels that being with you is a risk, but however they want to go forward and take this risk with you, Leos. Okay, any other message? Let's see. I will hide you in my heart. Oh my god, look at this. That is why I told you this person is mad for you guys. I see them suffering without you. I see this person suffering. Okay, so that is it, Leos. I hope this helps and this resonated, and if this did, do like this video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video you get instant notifications. And also, if you like my video, do leave a comment below. Okay, if this resonates, do leave a comment. So that is it, you guys. You take care. Bye.